Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be drawing Godzilla -1 from, Godzilla -1's poster. And yeah, that's just a little thunder if you hear that. So, I'm going to be starting with, like, his face, so, like, his brow. And it will be, like, right around, like, right here. So I'm going to make, like, a line going down and then, like, just curving like that. And so just like that. And so now I'm just gonna make like this straight, like coming like that. So just like that. And now I'm just going to like make this going down. Make that right there. So like his mouth is gonna be kind of bumpy. So we're gonna have to do like that. We can make some like sharp teeth in there. So use this pencil and so like just something like that. And so I'm gonna add like the top part later. So we can just add like some of these. Right there. And so now I'm gonna make his jaw come down, and then it's just gonna like come up like this, and then down. So just something like that. And I'm just going to make this look like 3D, so I'm gonna have like some details right here. And also some teeth. And so now I'm just going to have his tongue like right here. So like just something like that. So now we're gonna have like his brow. So it's gonna like come up right here. And just like something like that. And so this is just gonna like go back over there. So it's just gonna do that. I'm gonna thicken these lines up. Alright, so now his neck is just gonna like come back over here. So like there's gonna be a bump right there. So now I'm going to have like, there's just gonna be like a lot of these on his head. Like you don't have to do all of this, but I'm just gonna. And just make sure like you don't add them down here because we're gonna do something with this later. So like that. Why is there like? Okay, so now I'm just gonna bring this all the way back there, and we're gonna make just some more like lines coming right here, and just more details. And this is gonna be like his shoulder. Why is that like I should get a mic someday? Alright, so I'm gonna have, this is his shoulder. And it's gonna be like this. Okay, and so now I'm just going to, you can have more of these. Stuff on his neck. And so now I'm just gonna have like, so it's gonna come down like about, it's right there. And so like his actual arm is just gonna be like right here. So like, just like that. Here's like some these right here. And by the way, I've never drawn this picture before, so this is my first time. So that we can just add this stuff. So his first spike is gonna be like right here. Technically it's first, but then there's this. We're just gonna leave a hole right there for this other spike. So there's like one more right here. And yeah, like there's one that's like really far down here that like will come up over here. So like I'm just gonna that, and so it's like all the way down here. So like just something like that. And so now I'm just going to kind of like, I don't know, like just some stuff right there. And so as the other side of his arm is right here. So now like his elbow thing is like right here. I think I moved my... Okay, so just like that, and so it just like comes like over here. I don't know why his fingers are like this. So yeah, this is Godzilla -1. So like this, I don't know if his arm is that skinny. Maybe just like a little more like that. I'm probably gonna fix the hand later. So that's basically most of the arm stuff. Like, so now that's gonna go down there. It's not for like these spikes. Like, since it's kind of like back view, it's kind of hard to like see this. But first I'm just gonna have like this tall thing right here, and then it's gonna be like that. And also I don't know if you know, but like just in case, like if you're wondering, in like February 1st of 2027, you're gonna have to have 8,000 watch hours to get monetized, which is like, you can comment down below if you like that or not, because I don't like it, of course, because I have not reached it yet, and there's probably not a big chance I will do it. Might do it. Yeah, I don't have tapes, so like it's just gonna be like sing around. So now I am going to, yeah, there's just like so much stuff in this picture. Like, so yeah, like if you're already making videos on YouTube, it's probably gonna be a bad thing. Like, why did they do that? And And like, so like there's also like, you have to like have like 20 million shorts views to like how does a small channel do that? like seriously? So, oh yeah, this part actually goes down here. It's like, it's just so detailed. Like that. And yeah. That might not be good for Godzilla versus Monsters because he's already getting paid. Yeah, but so yeah, there's another big spike right here. Wait, so yeah, it's not that big. Okay, so there's something like that. I feel like I should have like had more of the legs in. So, wait, no, this was like, oh yeah, there's two, like, I thought like there's two of like these things on the spikes and I was like, I got mixed up. So, this. And so, yeah, there's also, yeah, this is actually like that. So, there's some of the spikes. This is sweet. So I've taken 12 minutes. So yeah, there's like one long thing right here too. So, it kind of goes like that. I don't know like where that ends or something. So you can also add like some like details like around here too. So, like that. Also, look at my subscriber count. Probably it's gonna change tomorrow, but seriously. Okay, so now I'm gonna focus on. Well, I think I should just. So I'm gonna finish these, and like that. Like, so that's gonna go behind like another spike right here. Yeah, this might be confusing to draw because like there's just so much details in here. Yeah, like this goes down here. So, it's like the back is gonna be something like that. And, so yeah, you can't really see this part because like, I don't know. So now I'm just gonna have like his legs and that. So it's gonna go like over there. And I should have drew this like a long time ago. Alright, so alright, so just something like that. And then I need to fix this paper. So Now I'm just gonna add like some bumps right here. And I just realized that -1's tail is like supposed to be like coming like towards the camera, kind of like, it's supposed to be like coming toward the camera, I think. So, just like that. And there's not the most things that there is left. So, the last thing that there really is that and the tail. So, the tail's gonna be like all the way up here. And so, just like some lines. So like, just something like that, and that's basically it, but there's one more thing. You need to draw the eye. And so I'm gonna use this 2B pencil, and we're just gonna draw it very lightly. And now we're just gonna like add his pupil very lightly, so we know when we mess up, we can erase it. So I think that's good. And now we can like add like this shadow part right here. So there's one more thing I want to add before I'm done, and that is I want to make him a little wider. So I'm just gonna make this. So like just something like that. And in my opinion, I don't really like it. So I am just going to erase that. So that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.